Ever walked into a bank, looked around, and thought, this place is outdated? You're not alone. Banking has changed a lot, and with it, the way we interact with our money. Today, we're talking about Varo Bank and a question that might be on your mind. Does Varo have any physical locations? Let's dive in. Varo is what's called a digital bank. That means it operates entirely online. No brick-and-mortar branches, no long queues, and no stuffy bank tellers. Everything happens through your smartphone or computer. Now, you might be thinking, what about cash deposits? How do I get my money in and out? Great question. Varo has a clever workaround for this. You can deposit cash at thousands of retail locations across the country. Think of it like a reverse ATM. You hand over your cash, and it gets deposited into your Varo account. Pretty neat, right? But what about withdrawals? Well, Varo doesn't have its own ATMs, but it's partnered with a network called Allpoint. This means you can withdraw cash fee-free from over 40,000 ATMs nationwide. You'll find Allpoint ATMs in places like convenience stores, drugstores, and grocery stores. So, while Varo doesn't have its own physical locations, it gives you access to a vast network of ATMs and cash deposit points. So, to answer the question directly, no, Varo Bank does not have any physical locations. It's a completely digital bank. But that doesn't mean you're missing out on convenience. In fact, many people find the digital-only approach to be more efficient and time-saving. But let's talk about the pros and cons of digital banking in general. On the plus side, you can bank from anywhere with an internet connection. There are often lower fees compared to traditional banks. And you can access your money 24/7. On the downside, you might miss the personal touch of a brick-and-mortar bank. And if you prefer handling physical cash, it can be a bit more of a hassle. Ultimately, whether Varo or any other digital bank is right for you depends on your personal banking habits and preferences. If you're tech-savvy and comfortable managing your finances online, a digital bank could be a great option. But if you prefer the traditional banking experience, sticking with a bank that has physical branches might be better. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.